Prime Minister Narendra Modi spent the final day in London going around the Jaguar Land Rover manufacturing plant in Solihull. Earlier, PM inaugurated Dr. Ambedkar Memorial and also unveiled the statue of Basaveshwara. More details in this report.
The final day of Prime Minister's visit to United Kingdom was an action-packed one. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Jaguar Land Rover's manufacturing plant in Solihull in UK. Jaguar Land Rover, a subsidiary of India's Tata Motors, is the largest investment by an Indian company in the UK. It was acquired by Tata Motors in 2008 and is now annually producing around 425,000 vehicles. Earlier, Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar had said that the JLR plant was the flagship Indian investment in Britain. The Prime Minister also signed the visitor's book at Jaguar Land Rover's manufacturing plant. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the statue of the 12th century Indian philosopher, social reformer and Kannada poet Basaveshwara, also known as Bhakti Bhandari and Basavana. He has been recognized as one of the pioneers of democracy. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister said that Bhagwan Basaveshwara advocated democratic values in the 12th century and supported gender equality and women's empowerment. He also attempted to create a casteless society and fought against all sorts of discrimination.
कि 12th सेंचुरी में भगवान बसवेश्वर ने लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों की वकालत की, डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज को एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए उन्होंने योजना बनाई और साकार की। उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट जैसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जहां पर वो सबको बुला करके और समाज के आखिरी छोर पे बैठे हुए व्यक्तियों के प्रतिनिधि भी, नॉट ओनली दैट, जेंडर इक्वलिटी के लिए भी वो काम करते थे।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Ambedkar Memorial in London, in the house where Dr. Ambedkar lived as a student in the 1920s. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also accompanied the Prime Minister during the inaugural of the memorial. It was purchased by the Maharashtra government for 32 crore rupees in September this year and converted into an international memorial consisting of a public museum and a library. The Prime Minister later paid floral tributes at the statue of Dr. Ambedkar installed in front of the house at 10 King Henry Road. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a meeting with the leader of the Labour Party and leader of the opposition, Jeremy Corbyn. Both leaders held talks on bilateral issues. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's niece, Tulip Siddique, also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in London. Industrialist Swaraj Paul also met the Prime Minister. With Sudhir Yadav, OP Das's report, DD News, London.